Okay, so I'm here in a Google Meet, which I'm recording because I'm using this as a demonstration for recording content for a lesson for students. And in particular here, we're looking at students whose first language isn't the one that you're working in. So for my case, it's English, and I'm going to use Google Translate to convert the information I give in this video into Spanish. Okay, so I'm just going to show you exactly what I'm doing here. I'm going to click on turn on captions. And now that I've turned on captions, that will start to understand everything I'm saying and place those at the bottom of the screen. So if I pull the presentation screen up now, we can see that that is starting to happen at the bottom. Okay. Now it's not always perfect, but it's pretty good. So we can see that that's happening down the bottom there. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to right click on where it says turn on or turn off captions. And you can see here I've got the option to translate to English. So I'm going to click there and that's going to open up Google Translate in my Chrome browser. And all I'm going to do is click on the three dots, the traffic lights there, and choose another language. And I'm going to choose, in this case, Spanish. So I'm just going to scroll down to find Spanish. There we go. And I'm going to hit translate. Inmediatamente. Look at that. Straight away, it starts to translate my English into Spanish. So really useful from that perspective. The other thing I really like is that if you use the chat as well, you can send a message in English. And as soon as I hit enter, and it translates the messages as well for me. So really useful tool, works with a whole host of languages, are really simple to use. And at the end, you can see you can just desactivar subtítulos, or you can go back to Google Translate and change the language back to English. And then we're good to go. So there you go, a useful little tip Tuesday for translating your content on video for English as a second language or as an additional language learners, or indeed any language to another language. Have fun with it.